To describe a short in Symbulator, we have to provide it with a name, starting with the letter S. Provide the first node and the second node, separated by commas. Now, the only reason we would describe a short circuit is if we are interested in the current flowing through it. And the only answer we will get for a short is that current, stored in a variable I and the name of the short, given in amperes from the first node to the second node. In this example, we are asked for the current in each one of the 4 short circuits. You can see that we have a dependent source controlled by the voltage V1. Just to make V1 match the figure, we define node 0 here and node 1 here, and then we defined the rest of the nodes as 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's name the elements. We call the shorts S1, S2, S3, and S4, and the resistors R1, R2, R3, and the sources JD and JI as independent and independent. So to describe the circuit, we say there is a short S1 between 1 and 2, and the direction matches the arrow in the figure. We have a short S2 between 2 and 4. We have a short S3 between 0 and 3. Again, the direction matches. And S4 between 3 and 5. Then the rest of the description, you should be familiar with it. You have your resistor here, R1. You have your resistor R2 and your resistor R3. And then the dependent current source, which is 0.2 V1. And the reason we can say V1 is because we defined nodes 0 and 1 so that it matches V1 in the figure. And you have an independent source here of 2.5 amperes. So we type that description in the text editor, and then we copy it. We're going to paste it in home inside quotation marks and pass it as an argument for the DC simulation tool. We run the simulation, showing a little faster here. Once it's done, we can ask for IS1, the current through the short one, IS2, IS3, and IS4.